Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have this beautiful pink trio, and this is called Embrace the Pink collection by Sista Chic, and this one was created and to support and show love to Catherine Cronall, who many of you already know that Miss Cronall is fighting breast cancer right now. She is a fellow YouTuber, Instagrammer, and Debbie decided to, come out with this collection to help support Catherine and to show her some love. So today I'm going to swatch these for you. We're going to run through them real quick. This is Embrace the Pink. It's the namesake of the collection. It is so pretty. It's got so much like opalescent glitters, fine glitters running through there, and that's just beautiful. But it's a ballet slipper pink, very soft and delicate, just like our Miss Cronall, very soft and delicate. And then we have Stronger Than You Pink, and this one's like a mulberry with a soft linear hollow in it. Oh, look at that veining, you can see it. Yes, it's just gorgeous. We all know how much I love my pinks, and when you add hollow to them, they just make my heart happy. So there we go with that one. And this one is called For Catherine. Now Catherine loves her little bar glitters. So Debbie has come up with this beautiful polish that can be built up on its own, or you can use it as a topper. And look at that. Is that just not, oh, it's just gorgeous. And this one, the vibe she was going for, she says, I was going for a sparkle and flash, life and celebration of life, and this is a very upbeat polish. Wait till you see her in the sun. She said it reminds her of Catherine's sunny personality, so I'm really excited about that. Excited about all of them. So the launch date for this collection is March 1st, so I will have a link down below for the new website. The price is $10 a bottle, and this is going to replace the spring collection for Sista Chic this year. With working on this, she wasn't going to have time to do, a spring, but I think these would be very spring appropriate, in my opinion. So I'm going to quit gabbing. I'm going to get my digits ready, and we're going to do some swatching. I'll be right back. Here we go with our first coat and Embrace the Pink. Oh, who doesn't love a ballet slipper pink? It's just such a pretty pearly pink. I love it. This is one of those that I could see myself wearing pretty often. It would be a great base for nail art, and I will show it with some nail art here in just a little bit. But it also would be a good palette cleanser if you've been wearing a lot of wild colors like I do. This one would be really nice. So there's the second coat of that. Hi Woody, how you doing? It's like I'm busy. So I am going to go in with a third coat of Embrace the Pink. See, I don't know that it did, I don't know that it needed it, but I did it. And then I'm going to put in some of this topper from the collection just to show it off a little bit. Let you see it over some different stuff. Love this topper. It's so pretty. And it's funny because I'm not a bar glitter fan typically, but I really did like this one. Sorry, the camera's tripping. And here is my swatch photo showing a little bit of nail art. The next one we have is Stronger Than You Pink. I love this mulberry. This is just such a good, I'm telling you, this one is, look at the formula on it. I'm almost like stammering and stuttering over my words. It's so pretty. Stronger Than You Pink is just gorgeous. It's that mulberry pink, but it's hollow. And here we go. We're going to put some of the For Catherine topper on this one also. I think this combination right here is just stone cold rocking. It's gorgeous. I love this. This combo right here is just singing. I love it. And here's my swatch photo with a A little bit more nail art on it. And now I'm going to show you the topper over Paris Nights, Moulin Rouge, which are both by Sista Chic, and then Braves Diva Shutout. So we're going to do, you know, the black, the red. I'm going to show it on its own on that naked little fingernail down there, and then over white. I just want you guys to get an idea of what this topper could do. I really think it's just so versatile. It's just one of those excellent toppers, you know, if you're looking for something like this. And if you're like me, you're not a huge fan of bar glitter, this might be, you know, something to think about, because these laid out really nice and flat. I didn't have a lot of trouble with them trying to jump off the end. A little bit, but nothing that I couldn't handle. Looks really good on its own also. Here we go, over Shutout. I mean, you don't have to use exactly the polishes I'm using for this, but I wanted to do black, red, and white creams. So there's the first coat. We're going to go in with the second coat. Look at it build up and just, oh. That's so cute. That's so cute. So Woody's back again, and I'm making a mess. Sorry, I'm going to have to, I normally don't swatch like this, but we're going to clean up this mess while we're playing. There we go. And I really think it looks great over the red also. I think this one would look good over a lot of different colors. A lot of different shades. And we're going to do a second coat over this one that was on its own. Just straight up. I am going to do 3 coats on that nail so you can see, you know, the opacity and everything. But I love it. I think it's just really neat. Depends on what kind of look you're going for. But it is really stunning. And here we go, one more coat over the white. It looks like frosting on the nails. And here's that third coat over the, you know, doing it all on its own. Over that, what was a naked nail is no longer naked. And that's what I do, is I just tap the end to make sure I don't have anything sticking off the end. And I bring Woody back in for some little business here. There we go. It's a stunning collection. So here is the For Catherine topper. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I will have a link down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.